Wow! Hi mga ka-Everb! So today we have our vlog with Inang. Ako muna ang mag-host sa ngayon. Sorry because the vehicle is very shaky. Say hi, Inang!
Hello!
And here's the team. Hi, Ate Marie!
Hello!
And our
hi,
driver,
guys.
Ollie!
My baby! Sarah all!
So today may agenda tayo. Pupunta tayo sa CB Mall Urdaneta because we have an event. So the agenda today is sashing and press con ng mga winners ng Mr. Pangasinan today. And Ate Marie is responsible for the sponsorship of their attires.
Wow!
Am I right?
Wow!
So see you later, guys. Hi! Andito na kami sa CB Mall at start na kaming mag-evacuate. Alam mo yung dalawang yun, oh. Ayan na. Start na kami mag-pack ng mga bagay-bagay at iakyat na namin.
Mga packing shell.
Medyo hassle siya, pero okay lang. Nakaka-excite kahit hindi naman kami yung may gawa. Pero ang saya-saya lang na nandito kami. Mwah! We have arrived here at Event Center of CB Mall Urdaneta.
Hello!
So this is Ate Marie, the one who has the minds for these outfits.
Oh, the mindset.
So napaaga kami dito. Kanina nagpapanik na kami nagpre-prepare ng mga
Truly.
Kaso wala pa naman pala.
Backstage princess.
Ito muna yung mga ganap namin, naghihintay. But the good thing is, we're not late. Di ba,
Late na to. Late. Hi guys, may boyfriend ako. Hello guys, ako wala akong boyfriend. Baka naman.
Paki-mine po sila.
Sayang, I can dance. I can.
Wow!
Oh, sige, para makita niyo kung sino gumawa. Ikaw na lang. Ikaw na lang. O, yung isa 24, 12, 12. 11, 13. Hindi, may dinukli pa. Oo!
Hindi pa kami tapos mag-assist. Marami pang, hindi, dalawa na lang. Pero marami naman kaming nagawa. Tapos na kami mag-bis, mag-ayos, mag-assist. Waiting na lang na mag-start yung program.
Tapos magsasanggip na kami.
Yay! Small wins. Diba?
May good news kay Marie.
Good news kay Marie. So, na-invite siya na mag-showcase ng kanyang creation sa Manila.
Maria na yan, no? How do you feel about that?
Kahit si Paris Cubel.
I think I don't have enough money.
So, please, give me money, guys.
Sponsor po.
For 14 na damit.
Yun lang.
Ang dami. Ang dami nun pero kakayanin. Ate Marie pa ba?
Ano, grabe. Pag ang tao sa ilo mo, maganda.
Superstar.
Yung white. Sa akin meron din.
Afternoon, and I officially welcome you to the sashing ceremony and appearance of Mr. Pangasinan 2025 Kings.
Provincial, it's national, the whole Philippines that you are going to represent it all. And meron akong advantage. Alam ko yung purpose ko kung bakit ako sumasali sa ganitong pageant. And that's it. Thank you. Next natin siyempre yung king na.
Pangit si Inang, pangit si Inang.
Hello everyone, hello Interbex. Okay, going to the question, yes of course. Because I didn't expect any crown at all. When it was given to me, I accepted the
Agnes Medical Center, Kansas City Dental Center.
2 hours later.
So ayun, tapos na yung event and right now mag-celebrate kami sa SM Urdaneta. Small win is a big win. Pero big yun para kay Ate Maria.
So may good news!
May
good news ang ating fashion show!
Congratulations! Congratulations! Thank you so much, pero kailangan ko munang ma-survive yung cough ko.
Well-deserved break, and this is the time na I think it's your, you know, shining moment.
Yeah.
This could be your biggest breakthrough when it comes to your passion.
Sana nga.
Dedication when it comes to fashion.
Ano?
And glam style. Doon na nga lahat. Bobo.
Thank you so much everyone. Of course, without you.
So let's go na sa
Thankful for the opportunity.
Yeah, let's go to SM Urdaneta. Maraming salamat kasi nakasama kami sa team na ito. At na-experience namin yung
mag-TikTok.
Mag-TikTok. Na-experience namin yung ganitong event.
Siguro ano lang din sa akin.
I'm
so happy.
Matrabaho siya pero masaya. Kasi interactive yung mga binihisan at inassist namin.
Parang
let's go eat na!
Yung mga may mga... Hello everyone, so this is my look when outside the mall. See, there's no like layers of foundation. You can see my pores and such, but I'm proud to have pores. That's human nature.
Wow, ikaw human.
Hi guys! So today is such a tiring day, but there's also good news, right?
Yeah, we will be having a fashion week. We
will be going to Manila. Manila girl. Toot toot. Shout out sa bebe ko. Mahal na mahal kita.
Wow!
Wala tayong
Chismisan sila.
Thank you, Ate Marie. So guys, may yaw-yaw tayo ngayon.
Dessert.
deserve naman ni Ate Marie. Hindi ko alam kung deserve namin. Anyway, small treat for a big win. Yes, big win po yun. Kasi successful yung event niya.
Let's go home, guys. Kasi yung yogurt sa Australia, grabe. Thank you so much, Miss Marie. So yeah, see you later. Bye.
Thank you so much, Ate Marie.
We're eating ice cream in the parking lot. This is the best bonding ever.
So, ayun. Tapos na naman ang araw. Natapos yung event. Successful siya, guys. Kaya meron tayong little treat from Ate Marie. Ate Marie! Shout out!
Sarap. Amen.
Congrats.
Congratulations!
Congrats to us, guys!
Sa susunod mong event.
Thank you so much, everyone, for helping me today. You're part of this big success.
it's a privilege to help such...
No, it's a privilege to have a good team like you guys.
Oh, shut
Great
up.
team. Wow, English!
Sorry.
Where did you get that, friend?
We encourage you naman mag-subscribe sila.
Hello, everyone. Please don't subscribe this YouTube channel because it's nonsense.
Kaya ito naman yung Facebook ganyan.
Subscribe kayo sa channel ni Inang ko. Today is hindi nakakahagard kahit ang dami nating nagawa. At least sama-sama tayo, tsaka ang saya lang. Happy na tayo, happy pa yung tummy natin. Yun lang, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all.
Hello, everyone. Like, share, and subscribe. Uy, takpan mo itong dito to ba yan? And see you on the next vlog. Bye-bye!